What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. Yeah. So today's project, hey, before I get into it, are you subscribed to the channel? Do you like all the videos? Do you give your boy a thumbs up? And if you're not, subscribe to the channel. Give your boy a thumbs up. Once we done, give me a thumbs up. That's all I'm asking. Alright? But today's project, I'm going to show you how you do a cargo pocket or a pouch pocket. Let's get to the table of greatness and make some greatness happen. Let's go! Okay, so actually what you need to do, you're going to need your ruler, you're going to need your canvas piece that you're going to be creating on, you will need a zipper, and you're going to need some piping. So as you can see, I got my canvas piece here, and I'm going to measure it out. So I'm going to want to do mine maybe 3.5. Let's mark it right there. 3.5 by maybe 7. So let's move that over here a little bit more. So that's what we'll be working with right there. And what we're going to actually do with this piece, we're going to actually, since we already cut it in a square piece, what we're going to have to do is actually just round the edges off some. What we'll do right here is just round the edges off like this. You know, get your scissors, just round it off. So just round the pieces off like that, because this is going to be more of a oval type of pocket. And then what we're going to actually do, we're going to measure again. So now we got to measure the outer side where the zipper is going to go. So we're going to have to measure another piece going around it. So let's do that. So you want to actually measure a round piece that's going around it, and you want to measure that. Right now, I'm doing mine is maybe 2.5. So you measure it like that, and then you're just measuring it like this. Let's get that right on the money. So right here, you see I already got everything cut out. I got the pouch bag piece. I got the piping already cut out to go around the piece. Then I got where we're going to actually add the zipper to that for the pouch bag. So I'm going to show you all that in a minute, but right now we're going to get over to the sewing machine, and I'm going to show you just how to actually sew the piping around. right here, as you can see, I already sewed
sewn the piping around it, so that's how it should look. Now over here is what's going to go around the bag. So this is the piece is where we're going to actually cut in the middle and actually install the zipper right up in there. So we'll have to actually flip it over like this, get a good fitting for the zipper, get it right there in the middle. Then you'll have your pin and you'll have your ruler. So as you can see, here's the piece. I already got the piping around it. Now I got my zipper sewn in. It's fully functional. I got it sewn in and it's fully functional. Now what you'll have to do is to line this up just right. You're gonna have to actually make sure we do this right. So to line this up just right. Let's get it like that. Just like that. So, like I said, the two pieces are always facing like that. And you want to make sure the zipper is lined up because the zipper is going to wrap somewhat around it, around the corner. So you just want to make sure that's nice and even on whatever side you are doing. So I'm just going to put a little pin in that right there. Hold that in place. But then what you're going to actually want to do to make this actually turn around the corners a little bit better, you're just going to want to clip it. You see how I clipped on the ends? So it splits it to make it actually move easier right around them corners. So you'll want to just, sew around. When you get around to the other corner, clip. Make sure you clip on all the corners to get that bend. So, what I'm about to do is I'm about to finish pinning around, and then I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine, and then I'm going to show you how to sew it down, and then, man, we'll just about be done. All right. right now, as you can see, the bag is fully done, but it's flipped out. So what you have to do is flip it inside out. So now you just want to flip it inside out like this. No, flip it. That's how we looking. And I flipped it inside out. So I took the liberty and I just did the other side as well, so it could be a whole bag. You know, I'm not gonna do all that other stuff I was talking about, but I just wanted to let you know, just a nice little makeup bag. But if you're carrying your batteries, you know, whatever you want to put in here, it's a nice little bag that you can make, have, you know, use, you know, put it whatever you want in there. And it's a great little pouch, you know what I'm saying? You can make it as big as you want to, fully functional zipper. So, you know, whatever you need to just throw in there, you still want to be fly and fashionable at the same time. It actually works, and it's just something quick and easy that you can do. So you do the same side like you did the other side, and then what you'll do is you'll flip it through the zipper, flip it through the zipper, flip it through the zipper, kind of like that. All right, but like I showed you how to flip it, you'll flip it the same way the other side, and then you'll be fully done. And that's what you get right there. That's how we're looking, you know. Just a little bag, you know what I'm saying, real quick and easy. I'm going to do more tutorials on them and how you can make them look different shapes, different styles. But this is how you make this one, just a nice little makeup bag. You want to throw something in there real quick, boom, and keep it moving, whatever like that. And then I'll show you actually in another video how to actually attach a belt, and you can actually make a fanny pack, you know what I'm saying, out of one. So, you know, make a fanny pack, a cross body bag or whatever. So, you know, that's what we're looking like. So, all right.
Hey, if you like that kind of content, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop your boy a comment. I thought that was something dope. It can help you out, save some money if you got a little sewing skills, and if you ain't, that's why I'm here for you, so you can do it yourself and sell you some scratchola and make you something super fly and fashionable and one of a kind just for you, or if you want to make it for your friends, family, whatever, or if you want to make a little dough on the side. You know. But anywho, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what else to say right now, but man, I really enjoyed it, and I'm so happy that you stuck with me. If you stuck with me all the way to the end and you picked up on little tips, and it can help you with your next project. Okay, so like I say, always about this time, never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy, Sauce Boss. Until the next time, you know I'm out. Rah!